Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen one more time again, guys. I want to say thank you so much for all supporting me. It's amazing, and we're coming from far, and to reach where we are at the moment is very far, but we have to. I'm happy, I'm giving thanks, so that's where it end up, giving thanks. There's nowhere else we can do more than give thanks. So anyway, today we're gonna show you what you can do at home when you come home and you forgot to buy something at shop, or you forgot to do something and you come home and you say, oh my god, I forgot to buy something, and you come in and you see something in the fridge, or say let's make this, let's make that. But anyway, we're gonna give you mashed potato and fried up some baked bean fried up with a little bit of veg. Simple recipe. So if you got a little potato left in the fridge, or you have 2 tins of beans inside of the cupboard, don't worry, you can find something to do with it. So this is where it come in handy, and this is where you can make something at home. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. It's just mashed potato and baked bean. Goes really well. Fantastic recipe, guys. So hopefully you will like it, and you will subscribe to the channel, and you will leave the comments and give me a thumbs up. The book is on Amazon. We know a lot of people say many things about the book, but no one know the story, so we just leave it. But we have the book coming out 2020, which is gonna be different. It's gonna be totally different, totally recipe, everything gonna be totally different. This book is coming from the art of the Caribbean. So guys, hopefully we wish you all the best, and hopefully guys will have a wonderful time. Thank you so much for your support, and hopefully we can do better in the future. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how you can do some like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 minutes cooking at home. All you need to do, sometimes if you got the time before you go to work, you can peel a potato until you come back. Anyway, right over here I have some potato which is cooking at the moment. This is my frying pan. The potato almost done cook. Is mashed potato. This one is for the beans. So we're gonna pop roughly a teaspoon of vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever oil you like to use. We're gonna put some spring onion and tomato and white onion like this. Not too much. As you can see, exactly what's going on right here. Pinch of coarse pepper. And 2 cans of baked bean. Some people do it with saltfish, but this is just like a 10 minutes thing at home. When you come from work, no time to muck about. Give it a little flavor. You can just pop a little bit of ketchup inside of it. Roughly a teaspoon. And leave this for going to simmer down for 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes, roughly about 8 to 7 minutes. Alright? Nice and lovely. So as you can see, the bean is finished now. And that looking lovely. So we're gonna mash the potato and serve it up and make you guys see exactly what we're all about. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. The potato is finished. All I have to do, remove the skin and cook it for roughly about 15 minutes, 10 minutes or 12 minutes. Cut it up very small. So as you can see, I cut up my potato them very small. That means that them very easy to cook. Now we're gonna show you how to mash it. Simple. Little bit of milk and a pinch of coarse pepper. One, 2, 2 large spoons of butter, unsalted butter, and just simple mash it, just like this, guys. Really creamy and nice with a lot of butter. Wow, can't go wrong. And the milk, really nice. As you can see, this is finished. Now we're gonna share it out. All right, looking lovely, creamy and nice. So now we're gonna share it out to make you guys see exactly what we're all about. Nice and lovely. I got some veg. So basically, mash at the side, looking lovely and nice. What I did, I just use a spoon, clean flame it, and it's easy to take up the mashed potato. The next thing, we're gonna put on some bean. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. As you can see, 10-15 minutes recipe, can't go wrong. Lovely and nice. You got some veg to balance it. Everything is there. As you can see, healthy, really nice and wonderful. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and hopefully we'll see you next time and again with more recipe. Bye bye.